Live from South Florida, it's Gilda's Club!
Hello from Los Angeles.
Hello from Gilda's Club, Madison, Wisconsin.
Live from New York, it's Gilda's Club, Westchester.
Hello, my name is Sally Warner and I am the CEO of Cancer Support Community. There is no doubt that we have witnessed many significant advances in treating cancer and that more people than ever are surviving or living longer with cancer. But everyone who has been impacted and connected with a CSC, a Gilda's Club, or one of our healthcare partners knows that nothing takes the place of the power, inspiration, and hope that comes from community. Every day, our 190 network partner locations offer that and more to patients, caregivers, survivors, and their loved ones, all at no cost. Whether you walk through our physical doors or meet us online, you will see that community is stronger than cancer.
Cancer Support Community Washington, D.C. opened its virtual doors in 2021. We decided not to wait for the traditional ribbon cutting ceremony at a physical location because we were confident that we could make a difference immediately, especially for people residing in medically under-resourced neighborhoods like Ward 7 and Ward 8. Cancer rates are extremely high in Ward 7 and Ward 8, almost 30% higher than if you were to combine Wards 1 through 6. Our number one goal is to provide licensed professional clinical support in a cancer support setting, as well as helping patients navigate through this very complex system to receive their cancer care.
I joined Cancer Support Community in March of 2021. Before that, I had already been working as a social worker in a cancer center and saw how isolated and lonely folks were because of their cancer experience, but also because of the pandemic, making an already very stressful and isolating experience even more stressful and isolating. So we were able to fortunately start with virtual programming and sort of jump right in to bring that group and education and other support to folks both online and over the phone. We have a couple different groups that are meeting. One is a weekly Living with Cancer support group. This is every Thursday, same time, and it invites anyone who has a cancer diagnosis, whether they're newly diagnosed, in the middle of treatment, or even post-treatment. We also offer a few different monthly support groups in collaboration with the Smith Center. We do a survivorship group, so for folks who are post-treatment, a group for breast cancer survivors and patients, another group for LGBTQ+ individuals, and then finally a group we call Previvor, which is for anyone that's at a high risk for developing a cancer diagnosis.
So this is a really exciting time for Cancer Support Community Washington, D.C. because we're actually partnering with world-class organizations such as Johns Hopkins Medicine, Whitman Walker, and MedStar Washington Hospital Center, and most recently Kaiser Permanente. We want to mitigate health inequity not just in Washington, D.C., but the greater DMV area. So we're just very excited to have a place in Washington, D.C. that we can call home.
The backbone of Gilda's Club is our support groups. Support groups are the true community of people who are coming together, who are going through the same experience. That dynamic can be life-changing to know that you truly are not alone. The teachings that you can give to each other, that builds our community. Gilda's Club Metro Detroit has 3 physical locations. We have one in Royal Oak, where it all began. Our newest location is in Detroit, and we took another like-minded nonprofit under our umbrella several years ago. Our Detroit location, our newest, opened on March 12, 2020, so 2 days later, because of the pandemic, we had to close physically. Prior to the pandemic, We always talked about, utilizing Skype or Facebook Live to bring some of our programming to our members, but we just didn't do it. And then the pandemic hit, and within 24 hours, we had nearly everything available in some way to our members virtually. That became our fourth location. And that location will be with us forever because we have learned that it's not necessarily what someone's comfort level is, but it's where they want to be and what's most convenient for them as they're going through their treatment. It's extraordinary to watch people come back. We've had incredible examples. 2 of our members had never met in person, but they communicated and they built a friendship virtually for a couple of years, and then seeing them come together physically, that was just incredible. Some of the programs that we're offering, yoga and mindfulness, are really important and huge at Gilda's Club Metro Detroit. Another program that we highlight is our art program and those tracks. Our children's programming is really important. It really is designed for kids to come together and see that other families are experiencing the same thing they're experiencing. And now, if there's someone in the clubhouse who is compromised, there's no question that we put masks on, and we ask other members too. We want people to be comfortable coming here, and if someone is not comfortable at all and they're severely compromised, that is why our fourth location, the virtual location, will always be with us and always be available to our members who need it. I think Gilda Radner would be so proud of her vision and what we have done with it to maintain it and grow it in Metro Detroit.